Bro, you just... What is going on, guys? It is your boy Zed from Cruise Customs back here for another video. And today we are just gonna finish working up on baby blue Jetta. Let's go out there. Today we're finishing up the clutch. Me and my boy Carl is over there getting his shoes on because like he didn't know how to put shoes on yet. But like we got all this clutch stuff. We already got the transmission off because it was getting hot and I wasn't trying to record, and it was difficult as hell. Bro, how difficult was this?
It's pretty difficult.
Yeah, so we took like 2 hours just trying to get the transmission up out of the engine bay, even though all the bolts were out. It's heavy and I almost died. So like, let's get out there and let's take these boxes out there. I got the transmission off, so right now we're gonna replace the oil pan gasket, put the oil pan back on, and then put all that nice shit in the car. So let's get it. Bro, we messed up so bad leaving all the tools in the heat. But like, look guys, no tranny. You guys can see the clutch. Yeah, that's definitely an OEM clutch, but we got all these hot tools now, courtesy of your boy, gang gang. But transmission sitting over here in the shade. Why did we think about putting the transmission in the shade but not all the tools, bro?
Welcome to Jackass.
I'm weak. All right, but for sure, I'm gonna switch out the oil pan real quick, and then, or the oil pan gasket, and get started with that, and then so we could just install the clutch. All right, bro, what you about to try to do?
I'm about to get this bitch off.
What, a screwdriver? Trying pretty hard there, bud. We gotta find something now, bro. Bro, show the doohickey, bro.
Doohickey.
Just use the breaker bar, bro. I'll go get you the breaker bar real quick. That's not big enough, G. Grab this breaker bar real quick. Still kind of hot, but you know, Arizona vibes. Breaker bar. Let's see how this finna go. Go in the hole. Alright, let's see this.
Oh yeah, perfect.
Alright, we're struggling. I'm gonna find a different attachment. Once I find a different attachment, we gonna get this clutch off. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys when I find the doohickey thingy. My boy Carl got it. Bro, look at how fucked up that clutch is.
All the bolts are right there.
Actually, bro,
It's not that bad.
it is not that bad. It could have survived another like couple years. It's actually not that bad. But that's from all the burnouts.
Dom.
Yep. Jesus. But I bet. So now we're looking at the flywheel up under there. It's what, 6 bolts?
Yeah.
So 6 bolts, we take that out and then we'll figure out what to do about the oil pan. There's those. We going for some stretches. Is that bitch like stuck on there?
You got a flathead?
I mean, bro, here, hit it with the mallet. Quiet. I am Thor, the master of all evil. Hey, bro.
Loosen up all this dirty shit.
Oh, looking loose. You better just pull it out real quick. Oh shit, that bitch is... Alright, so this is what we did so far. I unbolted those 2 bolts under here after we took the flywheel out. And then I just thought outside the box, put the flywheel back on, put the jack here to support it. Now we're about to just take the oil pan off, replace the gasket real quick, and then get that done, and then take that off. You guys will see after we're done, like the process. But yeah, we're gonna take the old flywheel back off, put the new one on, all that good stuff. We're just doing this because you gotta think outside the box sometimes when stuff doesn't work out. But that's, at least we know the oil pan's coming the fuck off.
Where the fuck is this one?
Right there. Bro, you just got knocked the fuck out.
Hurt.
Bro, it's on your forehead.
Good.
Brother, look at me, bro. The drill said Simba. I'm gonna move this jack out and I'm gonna bring this stuff out real quick.
Got
Merked by. So we go in the car, walk in here. I got the oil pan gasket right here. You know what I'm saying?
You wanna come hold this so it doesn't just drop?
Oh yeah. Oh shit, there we go. It's coming out, boys. Yeah, that's definitely going bad. Bruh, that's terrible. That's literally tragic.
I'm pulling this off.
Yeah, do that. Good thing we got a new one. Oh, it's just coming off like silly string, bro.
It's over here, too.
I'm gonna go grab a Scotch pad and then clean this up real quick to put the new gasket on, because that's disgusting, bro.
Dude.
So me and the boy Carl are about to go get some food real quick. We've been working hard all day. We got the oil pan off. We're cleaning it up for the gasket. Look at that. It looks 10 times better than what it did. Looks like brand new practically, right, bro? So like, we'll come back, finish putting the oil pan back on, and then get the clutch in. Hopefully get the transmission back on, because that's gonna be a pain. But we're about to hop in the Beetle, go get some food. So I'll catch up with you guys when we get food. All right, so we just got our food. I took a bite of my habanero wings, you know what I'm saying? We got so much food. Look at this giant pizza right here. Giant pizza. Wasn't expecting that. We ordered the biggest value off the value menu. We got that biggest one. It's like $30-$40. Got 2 pounds of wings, this salad that I'm munching on like a turtle, and we got this big pizza. Everything looks bomb, but I'm gonna start eating. Taste test. Boneless wing. Hit it with some ranch. Ow. Alright, we're gonna finish up eating here and we'll hit you back at the crib after. We're gonna finish doing this car and then we're gonna go hang out. So we pick it up, Crybaby Dom. Alright, got the pizza in the back. We got too much food. He probably about to eat. My mom probably about to eat. My sister about to eat. I had to go pick her up a slushie because she a crybaby too. But this man's taking forever, so like, I'm about to call him. I'm calling. Oh, you are? Alright, for sure. Look at who it is. It's Crybaby Dom.
Is that the lifestyle? Oh, we're actually doing that shit?
Yes, bro, but like, you finna work on the car with this.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna just use one of your shoes and then take off my shirt. That'd be cool.
Okay.
Or I'll just sit there and watch out, and I'll be a cheerleader. Looking too good today, y'all. Drip. Championship.
I'm gonna catch up with y'all when we get back to the house because we got hella food and hella stuff to get ready with the car. So yeah, hit you at the crib. We got Pretty Boy spraying shit. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Pretty boy Fredo.
Actually, it's gonna look hella good. Everything's gonna be like brand new type shit.
Dude, that was actually a really good deal. 2 bottles for $7.
Yeah. We gonna get high as shit off of this shit, bro. Is this shit already gone?
Yeah.
Yeah. Damn.
This shit goes by fast, though.
We just vibing now. I'm about to I already put the oil pan back on. Oil filter's now on up there. So now we're about to take apart the flywheel so I can put those 2 bolts back in there. And then I'm gonna start looking through bolts and stuff because I'm missing 2 of them. But it's all good, we'll find them. And yeah, I'm gonna just get this flywheel off and then we're gonna put the new one on and get on to that. And I'll show you after we're done or while we're doing it. So let's get it. New one, old one, new one, old one. Bro, you trying to hold this shit while I put it in?
Yeah, bro, I got you.
That shit is played out. OGs tell me stories about life in the pen.
When it comes to putting those other bolts on, you want me to do that again? Since I got them off.
Jeff, did anyone ever tell you look like an ogre?
Yeah.
Get out of me, swamp.
Bro, you need to hold the camera right.
Waffles. Oh, yeah. Waffles.
Ah, fuck.
You're ugly as hell for that.
I'm gonna get the torque wrench real quick.
Oh, he's crying, bro. Oh, hey. Documentation, bro. This nigga never cries.
All good?
Huh?
All good? Stage 2 pressure plate on lock. So it was supposed to be blue. It was supposed to be blue, but I had to get it outsourced from the company I bought it from. So it's not painted, but it'll still do the job. I'll show you guys after we're done and show you the finished product. We're about to put the tranny back on. Yes, sir. Oh, God. So guys, look, I'm all dirty. Everything is dirty, literally everything, because I literally just got done putting everything up. We put the transmission in. It was really difficult to be able to record and try putting that heavy transmission in. So we got it done. We put it in, clutch is in, everything is in, car's cleaned up. I just got to finish putting the slave cylinder, button up the shifter stuff, and we'll be good. Just got to finish putting back all the parts I took off, and yeah. So right now we're all cleaning up so we can dip and relax and chill with the homies. So your boy is looking like a Mexican right now, but I'm really tired. So we about to clean up and get out of here. Like I said, I look like a whole different person, bro. Like,
Yes, sir. You just slapping people with my finger.
I domed him right on the nose. You know himself for that.
Ooh.
He sounded like I was packing a can.
Alright, let's dip out of here. We'll catch y'all when we doing something.
Let's go.
Yeah. Oh shit. Swing time.
One small step for man,
Hey.
another giant leap
it's
for
that
humanity. What?
It's that time.
Yeah.
Oh, who is that?
Andrew.
Oh, Andrew's
To
mad.
the back.
I've always been here, bro. You just don't see me. So we're in what we are known as a one dust storm.
You can't even see shit. Nah, for real, it's too dark in here.
Pokemon Go.
Oh shit.
What happened? Shit, bro.
Throw it at your head.
Almost there. Almost
Oh
there.
my god.
They don't open like that, babe. You have to tear them. It tells you where to tear them.
hear your
It's
dick on
it's
ya.
right there.
Joe Minion, I choose you.
Big guy.
Other half of Pokeball, come at me.
Subs. I'm innocent. Let me see that.
I can't find it.
Hey, can I have that McDonald's thing?
I'm having it bound to get back.
Why does it keep getting thrown everywhere? I just cleaned my fucking car, you fucks.
Davina, fuck you. I'm about to panic.
You think I invited them?
Oh,
You
cause
think
I'm
I
black.
invited Dom?
Oh, so since I'm black, I can't come
Girl, what
inside.
are you doing?
That's what you get, Davina.
No, not me.
Oh.
She pulled out the Glock 3000. She pulled out the old Glizzy banger.
I swear. That's the glizzy from the 1500s.
Wax is here.
Hey! Why is this fucking light on? Really, bro? I just turned off the fucking light.
All right, we hopping in. It's a fat dust storm right now. I'm getting dust on my face. Not messing with it. So we about to head out, take this now home, and then come back because
We're gonna have educational practices, and we're gonna talk to y'all in a little.
yes,
Peace out.
pieces. So we just dropped Princess off. He's over there getting into the garage. But yeah, we just vibing. We actually just raced somebody crazy. Didn't want to smoke.
Never mind, I found it.
He didn't want to smoke. You know what I'm saying? Didn't want to smoke. So we finna head back to the spot, right, Carl? Yep. And it's lightning, raining, all that shit. It's getting worse outside now, right?
Low-key. But it low-key feel nice.
Swear. Whipping the Beetle. You know what I'm saying? This shit zooms. Just some slight. Stop by Circle K, grab some slushies real quick. Oh, this looks aesthetic. How's your finger, bud? Alright, y'all, I'm back at the crib now. I didn't record me getting over to the spot again. I didn't record that. But a lot of stuff did happen. Hope you guys did enjoy. Like, share, and subscribe. It's been your boy Zeph from Cruise Customs, and I'm out. Deuces.